Sephora has a new favorites kit out full of sunscreens to try. So I got it. And we're gonna go through it. And then we're gonna try it out and we're gonna see how it goes. This handy dandy bag, which is cute, feels soft, and I like bags, so yeah. Isle of Paradise, customizable self-tanning drops for face and body. I don't self-tan. I have a bin here of stuff that's not for me, that's a little mini Sephora store for anyone who comes over. This is going to get added to it. However, if I was going to self-tan, I'd totally use these. You could do everything from 3 drops for radiance to 12 drops for bronzing. For face and body, it's a nice little sample size. I was on a call with the guy through Sephora, not because I'm awesome and I self-tan all the time, and he needed to call me, but he seems like a super awesome guy who really knows his product. So if I was gonna self-tan, I'd try Isle of Paradise, but I'm not gonna, so somebody else gets to. It also came with a Kees Skin Isle Lip Balm with SPF 30. So this is what's on me right now. It has one of those nice applicators. All right, it's super soft on your lips. We're gonna try that out and see how it goes, but that's gonna live in my pocket for a while, so I have SPF 30 on my lips. Dr. Jart, the Cico Pear Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. This is SPF 30. I wanted to count of this as a sunscreen, but okay. And I just put some on here because I was a little bit red. Then it rubs in as a color correcting. This is green, and that lives in my color correcting area with my concealers. This is what I already have. So I already have the Summer Fridays Shade Drops SPF 30. This is 25 mil. I'm down to about here now. You use about 2 mil a day on your face, or a time on your face. So if this is 50 mil, this should last me 25 days. I also have the Innisfree Daily Defense Sunscreen, no white cast. It's SPF 36 and it's 50 mil, about here on it. 50 mil, this should last me 25 days if it was full. It's not full, I've been using it. This one so far is my least favorite out of them. The Behrman 1802 Milk Primer SPF 35, because it leaves such a white cast on my face. I don't want to look like Casper the Friendly Ghost at all. So when it doesn't, I have to rub it. I don't like that as much as I like the serums. 15 mil, so this should be a week. So I figure I can live with it for a week. I complain about it for a week. And then I have Kees Better Screen UV Serum. It's SPF 50 plus, which I like, with collagen peptide, which I like. And this is 50 mil. So this should be about a 25-day supply. So those are what I've had. This coming up now is what's included in the kit. Some of them are repeats. For example, this Kees Better Screen UV Serum with SPF 50 plus. This is a 15 mil, so this should be a week's supply. This actually might end up in my bug out bag, or my makeup bag, or in my car, just so I have it, because I know I do like that product so much. And I also have a mini Shade Drops from Summer Fridays. This is SPF 30 and this is 5 mil, so this is a 2-day supply. I had another one of these and I brought it to the beach with me last weekend, and it was really nice because I knew it was a 2-day supply. So I knew how much sunscreen to bring. Innisfree, I also have a little sample of SPF 36, and this is 10 mil, so this is a 5-day supply. Those are repeats. I don't have another one of the Beekman because Sephora doesn't sell that. Dr. Dennis Gross, All Physical Ultimate Defense SPF 50. I like it when they have the higher SPF. And this is 7 mil, so this is a 3-day supply. Dr. Thomas Roth, SPF 45, Water Drench with the Hyaluronic Cloud Moisturizer, and 5 mil, so a 2-day supply. Shiseido Urban Environment VitaClear, Invisible Protection with Vitamin C. Intrigued, SPF 42. 7 mil, so a 3-day supply. Dermatologica Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50, and this is 7 mil, so another 3-day supply. Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40, 20 mil, so this is a 10-day supply. Inky List, I haven't been wild about Inky List products, but we're gonna try, because especially this is the second full size. It was the lip, and this is the full size product, and everything else is samples. Polyglutamic Acid Dewy Sunscreen SPF 30, and this is 50 mil, so it's a 25-day supply. And if I hate it, it goes in that bin of stuff for people who come to my house. St. Jane Luxury Skin Ritual Pore Smoothing, it's SPF 30, and it's 25 mil. So this is about a 12-day supply. Fenty Skin Hydra Visor SPF 30 broad spectrum mineral sunscreen, and it is 30 mils, so this is a 15-day supply. And Paula's Choice Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid, it's SPF 50. I'm liking those. And this is 15 mils, so this is about a week supply. I guesstimated how many days were left in my original 4 products and figured it out because mathing. I should have 143 days worth of sunscreen. And if there's roughly 30 days in a month, and that's close to 150, this is about a 5-month supply for me. And then I can figure out which ones I like the most. And I also had just a couple samples left. I went through them yesterday. This is all I could find. It doesn't mean that's all there is, but I knew I had these. And this is the Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid, and it's 1.5 mil each. So that means each of these is 1 day. So my 143 days is now 145 days. But we're gonna put all the sunscreens in the bag here and work our way through them and let you know what we think. Like I said, I added the others. It's in this nice bag. I do sunscreen every day. I just did my face, my skincare, before makeup. Between skincare and makeup comes sunscreen. So about to apply that, and we'll see how they all work out.